Bishop Adonten de anu here be abba. Mr. Senden de can de pay attention TV and Mr. any dear more. Any aho brasima what they comments be banasa wasanso subscribe by a channel na when me notification bell no so send ya near the betum bia na de sum Ghana mine one so one sa ebe kebi eye Obaapa Christy any ne kru Pastor Love enya ntawantawa kaka na say awarija eba sa ya na nkrofo anase mienufo no obia de ya wo ekeka nsam ama Pastor Love beja o kan say eye Bishop Adonten sebi one Obaapa de da rough we di okwa se be Obaapa Christy ankasa na chi Bishop Adonten na onu ankasa aje no ho adwuma ho no mentimi nka aye no adwa na nya ntintini tete man se Bishop Adonten na yire Obaapa Christy etwi so nia no odin a na asem we eye arehosem akire Pastor Love be pa cho se ne waka no kra eye bufo ne ma ne kansa Bishop Adonten ankasa ba fifi practice hwe e de mu nchiremu abakwan fa so hia eye Obaapa Christy ne mpo no Pastor Love say ada wodam e won sam no o kire mu se ne nsa wa ase anase ne nsa ne ase ma ye ntim rasisia
yenya baby wa yenya miedu no me ne ba nti enye se ma no fom no ma no tia ne da e na afi nso mate se asemato no nti I'll use this to pray for him say baby onam bia no oje beba no so won say obitimi kasa ma worry I am happily married for 50 years ube komu no na bia 40 years no e manson ni ntokwankwan nti awade die ni wa asomdwe wo mu a wote se asemato obi aware a e wo so udi ehun awurusie and I cry for Pastor Love or baby or shesi say what the be manapa however Obaapa Christy me catch you say do baby me life na yaw e kom any bre na in my pain in my wound years ago na minim de da na minim se me hia na da ni nyum bi na me di sun ye san all my life me ma mene so ma chere me po I don't want to cry before you me di su papa because na ene da so bie ni o ma me obi ase na minim se me hia na because na minim be bi onam na say nyame adom meja isa esu no say nwum no kra me ntie bio ore bia friend John Mensa Sapon or your music producer wo kuma sen obesra me tie di nkomo a na me pa nwuntufo bi aba me wa beto nwom mama no so Obaapa me na wo moni ama ne akoso na menim na metiwa John Mensa Sapon friend na me so me ma na ba America Oba yen fa me roll red carpet man me de minim sorry bi e koso ene nyo no nko a obia wa ufra mpo obia wa ba me ho bia no it doesn't matter where you're coming from I care for you I love you intina ya won say stars nyina ba America or your bema wo or your ba sana metie this is who I am I love people I love humanity and when I'm loving you I go all out to love you that's it. Encho ye de ne baye obaye no me buano me support on because me no this is the woman that a while ago when I was crying she has made a difference see obi a minister to obi abuano a me kind of cry that's the woman this is the woman who because and through encouragement through enwum bia o minister ye no me meja isu me na mabegina bebia me buankofo nti obaye no nyame fa me so blessed no wanye boni ayefo she respected me she honored me because they are me man no kai and I me so me na mo no me a street boy nti ni pe koba no the one me say did that from what had when if she is akwa award that from me na from sa because obi a wada counterman to epie akopie America na me de nyansa bebre and I me de hwade she's a very appreciative woman. Whatever the Lord used me to do for her, she appreciated it. Me back room one, no friend me da, me friend the PSC. But remember one thing, this is the woman that the Lord used in my most difficult time in life to be a blessing. If you say there ba ko ni pa wo ha, mfa won san kada. Obi ade ani obi yere. So be say si ye. Wo be so hunu nyame ani mo nyame ya. ade mienu amfa won san kan da amfa won fifi obi abrato no phone no se mebia oya hunkura wa damage wo obi abre afa ne yiri say ye 1 euro 1 euro. When you observe that, acknowledge that and respect them. Inti meaning say aware mu nsam ne ya wo na aba, because at some point of the woman's life God is also used me in turn to make a difference. Inti meka say ye me ya me da anya me ya, because say ne omuntu kwa no kono bia obekwakobo aba ko bia no, you become that target. But I respect Pastor Love. I pray that the Lord will bring him out of his trouble. I honor Obaapa Christy. Me cry me onukran so me onukran na me share the reverend first to me the reverend tone, so because me who at that time, you know, she was going through a lot. And I feel that this is my Sydney in Sanifa Jari Bunkum, na Bunkum so dry the fanti. Sabi sabon sa misu bi kra me na mo no me nya uluman sa say me ka se me kwa ko pe obi yere. Say me wo yere. And a bear man's over, you don't be you gotta be careful. Auntie, I see, you know. A yaw near buffo na banner or more cabat. Me a mature person, you must say, me casse. A year me ya, me who some my town for any age, and a normal and so. Mean some say by me funny say, woman and mammy who how far, Yamma me deem cool. A jam message me, I mean, who know how far my name is gone. Into a body say no be from Germany, France, Holland. What you do, even though it's negative, it is also part of the beatings and part of our winning. Me, yes, me kasa home baby, because will be a warrior, and will be anyone a warrior, some more. Obi di aba, obako ye home breaking news, ako ye your home interviews, as share and tari ako tran baby. No, don't do that, because banyansa for uti hono hunu se eja to bi abo gisemo na wa sensu si udi ho, because papa na mo na dum keko adum bi keke nti wa wade ayi yama enko didi obi atem se wakoji obi, I don't know me womunsam, but I'm not part of it. I am only in to be a blessing. And Obaapa, I will continue to mention her name in respect, because nyono na mre bi nyame fa no so pege anyum bia. Ebi anka me kumi hu, ebi anka me ne bia simple. But God used that woman. Irrespective of the obiabeka. As akwa bia na yesi na nie fra Yesu Kristo kosan na omu say na ede na wani efra na ho to no se me de minimum ne say na mani efra me ho ato me. God used her at some point of her life to become a blessing to me. That's all my story.
So we say no, so one person will clear no more who say the link up between a your Obaapa Christy no. Okasan will say be ubo bemadi.
Bemeden.
As a ubo bemadi say on Okaso we hear Obaapa Christy no metro.
Oh, John Mensah Sapon.
I saw your bema.
Yes.
But link up no like I said a bit trouble on things say na ye wo na wo down for ne gifty adoye
Me ma on kasancha on.
and like so means so gifty adoye and gifty adoye na one ne ye close one ne ye nice gifty na dey ye oba and olenke Obaapa Christy at the mount true gifty adoye and a ma hu Obaapa Christy, but you see na wo kasa na wo say Bema Nema Unya Obaapa Christy no Ushan for the first time. Suddenly Captain Ebeda wanted no
Bishop will say Obaapa draw so grab hunda. Say ye white, say ye black. One roda, ye white and a black. One robida. Bishop Neka. Utum say Nansam na no didn't also begin. I Bishop say hunda. Macra.